students, this video is related to the chapter Simple Machines. A machine is a device or a tool that can be used to help you to do work faster and more easily. A machine uses energy to make a force to do the work. What is work? Work is done when something is moved from one place to another. What is force? A force is a push or pull. Forces can move things, stop things from moving, speed up or slow down. Complicated machines use electricity or fuel to make energy. Simple machines use just your muscular energy. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Energy is used to produce a force to do work. Simple machines, they can work by energy, maybe muscular or from other sources. Force can change the direction of moving things and change the shape of the size of the things also. Movement of an object is known as a work. Simple machines, there are 6 kinds of simple machines. Machines that have few or no moving parts are called simple machines. Maybe lever, inclined plane or the slope, wheel and axle, pulley, screw and wedge, like knife, scissors, screwdrivers, etc. All machines, simple or complicated, use force to do work. Machines can also change the force needed to do work. Some machines like the lever increase the force we apply. Some machines like the tweezers decrease the force you apply. These help to do the delicate jobs. Some machines like pulley change the direction of the force you apply. Lever helps to lift or move something with less effort. A lever is a broad and rod with the 3 important points. Number 4 is the fulcrum. It is denoted by F. It's denoted by F from where the lever is supported. The load, the part which does the work. The effort, from where you apply the force. In a seesaw, which is also a lever, the load and the effort keep alternating. There are 3 kinds of the classes of levers. In each class, the order of the 3 points changes. In class 1 lever, the fulcrum is at the middle. For example, in brooms, pliers and scissors. In class 2nd lever, the load is in the middle. For example, nutcracker, bottle opener and wheelbarrow. Third class of the lever is with the effort is in the middle. For example, stapler, forceps and the fishing rods. In simply we can learn like this. It is easy to remember. You have to donate it with FLE. When fulcrum is at the middle, that's the class 1 type first class lever. Load is at the middle, second class of lever. And third, that is the effort in the middle, that is third class lever. You can write like that, FLE, flee. With this you can remember it. It's easy. Here are some other levers: toothbrush, paintbrush, pencil, weighing scale, hairbrush. Now according to the fulcrum, lever and effort, we can assign the clasp of the lever. When load is at the middle, that is the second class lever. When effort is at the middle, fulcrum and loads are on the sides of that lever, that is the class third of lever. For example, ice tongue, fishing rod, tweezers, forceps, etc. Now the inclined plane. An inclined plane or a slope is used to move something from one level to another. One end is higher than the other. A steep slope makes it harder to push something up. You have to use a greater force, but the distance to be covered is less. A gradual slope makes it easier to push things up. You have to use less force, but the distance is greater. You can also move something down a slope. The steeper the slope, the faster the things move. When you move something up a slope, you are trying to overcome gravity. When you are pushing down a slope, you are being helped by gravity. Now wheel and axle makes moving heavy things much easier. The wheel was a very important invention. When the wheel is attached to an axle or a rod, it becomes a simple machine. The axle supports the wheel. An axle can be long like in the car or truck. It can also be short like in a bicycle or a sewing machine. A screw is actually a curved slope which is wrapped around a cylinder. A screw is used to hold the things together firmly. It grooves of the screw that are the thread of the screw or slope. The slope of the screw jack helps to lift very heavy things like the cars. The slope of the screw also makes easier to push into something. To push in a plain nail needs more energy. It is easier to make a hole with the help of a machine called a drill. Now the pulley. A pulley has a wheel with a groove in its rim. A rope or the belt moves through the groove. A pulley is used to lift heavy things. It can change the direction of the force you apply. The force is used in this picture. You can see it is opposite in the direction. The rope is pulled down and the bucket is pulled up by the help of simple machine. Here pulley. Now well is the good example. Building materials as well as flag hoisting. Cranes also. JCBs also. It is used in the factories, farms, godowns and the garages, etc. Now wheel and axle. The wheel and the axle makes moving heavy things much easier. The wheel was a very important invention. When the wheel is attached to an axle, a rod, it becomes a simple machine. The axle supports the wheel. An axle can be long like in the car or truck. It can also be short like in a bicycle or a sewing machine or a clock, etc. Many wheels and axle are present